Right, and when you look at wheel end maintenance and repair, there's a lot of complexity there. There's a lot of parts, and there's a lot to it, and it's very easy for a technician to make a mistake.
Correct.
So what is STEMCO doing to try to address that issue with the products that you're manufacturing?
So a lot of that comes from the issues we see in the market, right? And one of the main ways that somebody can install a wheel end improperly is by improperly adjusting your bearings. So today the bearing adjustment procedure involves a calibrated torque wrench, a few hours of training for the operators. Seems simple enough until you actually do it day after day after day. You get in a rhythm, you get comfortable, things start to slip. So
right, and complacency is really something that we're fighting here. And with that many different steps, it's so easy to make a mistake, right? And if you are getting into that rhythm, you're not really thinking about it, you could miss a step, and then all of a sudden we got a major problem.
Right. So that's why we developed the Auto-Torq here, because it takes that complexity away. It takes your reliance on calibrated tools out of the picture. You don't have as much operator training involved. It makes it as idiot-proof as it can be.